What is up, my Pure Passion fam? We are at the ranch. All right, this is a sturgeon pond. It's gonna be super fun. I'm gonna put in the description below. I'm gonna put like the guy's phone number and everything. But pretty much it's a bunch of ponds with sturgeon in it, and we're gonna freaking catch them. All right, I've been here like 5 times. It's crazy fun. It's like shooting ducks on a pond, but it's all right. Follow me on my little adventure, and let's go catch some freaking sturgeon. Let's go get them.
Freaking choked him, holy crap. I forgot how hard these fish fought. Yeah, feels good. Feels good to be back. I think it's just a little guy to start, but I'll take it. This is so fun. This is why we do this. This is just insane. Just a little guy. I'll get a snag him. Definitely. We put up a pretty good fight. Again. This is why it's so fun. Fish on. Holy cow. God. Bye, buddy. First one. Oh, these waders are nice. Look at that. No water in my boot. Feels good. They're warm. Yeah, good waders are freaking key. Definitely. There it is. Oh, man, this guy's... Oh, what? Mom. Facts. It's a good time. We got the drone flying. This YouTube channel is about to be a lot different here pretty soon. We got a GoPro Hero 8 coming. We got the DJI Mavic Mini, which is a super sick piece of technology. And we're gonna try to do better at like letting everybody see exactly what we're doing out here. Freaking torqued him big time. Right when I was talking. He's bigger. He's considerably bigger, babe. I think he's got some weight. No doubt. I think. Maybe not. Did I cross you? My fish. There we go. Freaking big ones out here. This one's got some juice in it, no doubt. It's a bigger one. Oh. Man, this one's got some power. Yeah, he's having fun. I don't know how big he is, but I'm certainly putting the juice on him right now. I haven't even seen him yet. This is so fun. He's definitely a lot bigger. Holy cow. This one's having fun with me. Yeah. Now we're talking. He's a little better, for sure. There we go. I'll take it. Biggest one of the day. Should be able to get a pretty... What's that? I think it's they're fighting. Yeah, there's so many in here. They fight. Yeah. Bye, buddy. That's fun. Like and subscribe. These are cool. Yeah, I didn't mean to yoink your ass. Yoink. There it is. This has been my socks. Where are the big ones at? You up your slap? All the rivers are catching these. You go to Washington, you have to go on Roosevelt too. Pretty solid. You have to have a boat on Roosevelt though. You can't do it from the Schwartz. There's too much. It's a huge river, I guess. It's more like a reservoir. It has flow. It's like this massive lake that has flow, kind of like that. No, he's about the same size, I think. He's pretty small. He's got a little bit of weight to him. He might be little. They're all this size. Ah! Slap me in the face. These little ones still fight good. Come here, buddy. Come here, friend. He does? Baby. Got some babies. We're in the nursery over here. There's over 1,000 sturgeon inside this pond, so it's pretty much guaranteed you're gonna catch fish all day. I'm gonna put his Facebook page and his put it all in my description below, and you can check it out. If you live in Oregon, Washington, Idaho especially, I definitely recommend coming out here and giving this a shot. It's a ton of fun. You catch sturgeon all day. And there's like a 7.5 foot sturgeon there, so I think there's a bunch of 6s, 5s, a bunch of 4s, and then a ton of little guys. So it's pretty much guaranteed action, especially if you got kids or whatever. Just come out here and give it a shot. It's a bunch of fun. It's $20 to fish it per person, and then it's $25 to get a rod. But if you already have rods, and you just put 30-pound mono on it, that's required. And then you have to use, of course, barbless hooks. You could really come in here and spend $40 for 2 people and catch fish all day. I think it's definitely worth it. It's a ton of fun. But yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. We're gonna head home and get some rest. I have to go back to Nevada. I'm not gonna be able to do a video for a little bit. I was able to squeeze this one in. I'm not sure when it's gonna get edited, but we're trying to do one a week. But I've been out of town working, so that hasn't been happening. But I do appreciate everybody that watches this, and we will get back to the one a week thing. So if you would kindly like and subscribe, I would really appreciate that. That would mean a lot to me. And then comment, like, whatever you want me to do. Like, seriously, like, I'm willing to give any body of water a try to fish anything around here. So if anybody's curious about anything and they don't want to spend the time to go try to fish for it, just send me and I'll give it a shot. But
I really appreciate the people who watch this. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, whatever you're doing. Thank you. Keep it classy. Doink and real.